controlling. I grip the wrist. From here, I have the leverage to start to pull this up. I want to pull it up. If you can just jump right around, you can. If you can't, you'll have to plant your hand. I have to swing my leg through. So I swing the leg through and get to this position here. So I chop down, keep this off the ground, keep it on the back of the neck right here. And this leg is what's gonna get this submission. I kick right there. I'm already controlling at the ankle. If he rolls, I chop this one down to my butt, my heel, my left foot comes to my butt, and it'll ensure that it doesn't end up underneath him. I'm gonna roll up to my head, and as he rolls, I'm gonna let go the leg so I can push myself up. So as he rolls, go straight up to this. Now, I'm sitting on him. I'm sitting, and I put my foot out. So if he rolls me that way, I'm just gonna end up on the same position. I won't let go. I'll still have the lock. My hand comes down. I lean towards my hand. It's gonna free up this leg, and I just put the top of my foot to the mat, and I start to slide. Act like I'm gonna go kick way out there. And now get the submission from here. Here. Launching. Top kick. Hold. Up. Ooh, nice. Nice, nice.